Have you noticed yourself looking down more when you walk? Reaching for handrails? Feeling hesitant when stepping off a curb? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Welcome to Senior Fit Secrets, and today I'm going to show you a 5-minute routine that can help you never lose your balance again, even if you're 60, 70, 80, or 100. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 minutes a day can retrain your body, wake up your brain, and restore your confidence while walking. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because we bring simple, life-changing exercises for seniors every week. Why balance declines? Many people assume that losing balance is about weak legs. But the truth is surprising. It's not usually your muscles, it's your brain's connection to your body. You see, as we age, the nerve muscle signals from your feet, ankles, hips, and deep stabilizing muscles gradually weaken. This means your brain doesn't get clear information about where your body is in space. It's like your body's internal GPS getting fuzzy. That's why even seniors with strong legs sometimes grab handrails unnecessarily or hesitate when stepping down from a curb. Here's the good news: this can be retrained. Your balance system responds to simple, daily neurological exercises, and you don't need a gym, weights, or equipment to do it. What you'll learn in this video: you'll learn a 5-minute sequence designed specifically for adults over 60, activate the gluteus medius, your key hip stabilizer, restore ankle responsiveness, retrain foot sensors, help your brain relearn body position without relying only on vision. Plus, I'll show you 2 quick balance tests so you can track your improvement over the next few weeks. If you want to keep moving confidently and independently, make sure to subscribe to Senior Fit Secrets. We share exercises, routines, and daily habits that help seniors stay strong and mobile, prevent falls, improve walking confidence, and feel younger every day. So hit that subscribe button now, and let's start training your balance. The 5-minute balance sequence: cue gentle music, clear visuals demonstrating movements. Use a wall or chair for safety. Exercise 1, heel to toe rock. 1 minute, stand with feet hip-width apart, near a wall or chair. Shift your weight slowly from heel to toe, lifting your toes slightly each time. Focus on feeling your feet connect with the ground. Why this works: it awakens foot sensors that tell your brain where your body is. Think of it as rebooting your internal balance GPS. Exercise 2, single leg stand with support. 1 minute, stand on one leg while keeping a chair nearby. Slightly bend your standing knee. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Why this works: activates the gluteus medius, your hip stabilizer, which is key for walking without wobbling. Tip: move slowly and focus on your breathing. Even small improvements count. Exercise 3, ankle circles. 1 minute, lift one foot slightly off the ground. Rotate the ankle clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise 10 times. Switch legs. Why this works: your ankles communicate with your brain about the terrain. Strong, responsive ankles prevent sudden missteps. Exercise 4, march in place. 1 minute, lift your knees slowly to hip level. Imagine walking on a tightrope, keeping your posture tall. Why this works: retrains coordination between your legs and brain while activating core and stabilizing muscles. Exercise 5, side leg raises. 1 minute, stand tall, holding a chair for support. Lift one leg sideways slowly, keeping your body stable. Lower gently. Repeat 10 to 12 times per leg. Why this works: strengthens hip stabilizers and improves lateral balance, which is critical for avoiding falls. Test your balance age. Let's see where you are now. Test 1, the one leg stand. Stand on one leg, arms out to the sides. Time how long you can hold. Test 2, The heel-to-toe walk. Walk in a straight line, heel to toe. Count the number of steps without wobbling. Track your results, and repeat these tests every week. You'll be surprised how quickly your balance improves. Why daily practice is crucial. Many seniors ask, do I really need to do this every day? The answer is yes. Balance is not about strength alone, it's about reactivating your nervous system daily. Even 5 minutes every morning or late afternoon is enough to stop grabbing handrails unnecessarily, turn around confidently, walk more steadily inside your home, gradually remove the fear of falling. Remember, age does not define balance, activity and proper training do. I've spoken to seniors over 70 and 80 who practice this sequence daily. Many report walking upstairs without hesitation, feeling more secure on uneven surfaces, regaining the confidence they thought they lost forever. If you're watching this, comment below with your current balance challenge. Let's build a community where seniors help each other regain independence. Tips for success: 20-100 hours to 21-30. Always move slowly and with control. Use a wall or chair for safety. Focus on feeling each movement. Keep sessions short and consistent. Even if you feel unsure at first, don't give up. Your brain and body are learning together, and results compound over weeks. So here's the takeaway: 5 minutes a day can make the difference between fearing a fall and walking with confidence. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member. You never know who might need these simple exercises today. Stay steady, stay confident, and remember, age is just a number, balance is a choice. I'll see you in next video with more simple, effective senior-friendly exercises. Thank you for watching Senior Fit Secrets. Take 5 minutes for yourself every day. You deserve it. Medical disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or qualified healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions, injuries, or concerns about your balance or mobility. By following these exercises, you assume full responsibility for your own safety. Stop immediately if you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort.